Hello everyone, welcome to Bukky's Kitchen. Hope you all are well. So today I'll be showing you how to cook Nigerian assorted beef stew. And as you can see on the table, I have laid out very nicely all these fresh looking ingredients. So I've got some fresh peppers, I've got the Scotch bonnet, bell peppers, red onions, I've got some garlic cloves, some tomato puree, chopped tomatoes. For my seasonings, I've got salt, chicken stock, smoked paprika, thyme, curry, and I'll be using 4 different types of meat. I'll be using the tripe, which is also called Shaki, some cowskin, which is called Kpomo, some beef livers, and beef as well. And I also wanted to use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to all my subscribers. You all are so encouraging, and I do appreciate your support, supporting Bukky's Kitchen. Now to go back to the cooking, so what I'll be doing is first will be to season the beef, and then the tripe. I'll be cooking them all separately, by the way, and then I'll later fry the tripe, the livers, and the beef together. So do kindly stay tuned and watch how I cook Nigerian assorted beef stew. Okay, so for the tripe and the beef livers, I just need to season with some salt as well as some chicken bouillon, and that should be fine. So for the livers, I'll just throw this in. This is just about a teaspoonful of chicken bouillon and about a teaspoon or half a teaspoon of salt. So just tip that in. For the tripe at the back, just add about a pint of water into the pot there, and do the same thing, just about a teaspoonful of chicken bouillon and about a teaspoonful of salt. All goes in there. And then into the pot with the beef livers, I'll just add a bit of water. I'll just add some water to this. And then we'll leave to cook, say for about 30 minutes. Right, okay, so whilst the beef is cooking, I'm just going to go ahead and blend the peppers. Okay, so it's now time to check on the beef. So this has been cooking for about 25 minutes, but the beef tends to cook quicker because it's softer than the Shaki. This should cook about the same time as the beef livers. So I'm just going to check to see if it's Well done. Okay, so this should be ready. This is definitely ready. So I'm just going to scoop this out, set aside to cool, and I'll do the same for the beef livers. Set aside while I leave the shaki to cook for a bit longer. Then afterwards, I'll then fry everything together. Okay, so the beef, the shaki, and the beef livers are ready. So that's the livers, the shaki, and the beef. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start to cook the Nigerian assorted beef stew now. I'm just tipping in the oil which I used to fry the beef. This oil has been recycled and it just gives the stew a very nice flavor. Then the next thing I'll be doing is to fry the puree tomatoes until it is kind of reddish brown in color, and then I'll tip in or pour in the blended peppers and start to cook. So the stew has been cooking for about 50 minutes. I'm just going to check it now and then add the assorted meat to it. Again. Like. Okay, so that is our assorted, or Orishirishi as some people would call it, beef stew. So we've got Shaki, that's the tripe. We've got the Kpomo, we've got livers in there, and we've got our beef in there. This looks absolutely delicious. So we're just going to try some of this, and then we'll try. Take some Shaki. Just take a bit of stew. And we'll try some out. Okay, so you guessed right. This stew looks so mouth-watering, and I can tell you it tasted absolutely delicious. Now, if you try this particular recipe at home, do kindly drop in the comments box your experience, how you got on with it, and also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.